Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. We're taking a break from all the bathroom stuff to do something a little more fun today. We are not fancy people, but was recently gifted this 1981 Datejust from my dad. It fits a little small on me, but on the wife, it fits perfectly. So we are switching out this Jubilee bracelet for this one. Teal is her favorite color, and she just got a promotion at work recently, so perfect timing. Let's do a little research on how to remove these. I just watched this video by Photo Tristan. He has a specific watch tool to press down on the spring bar. I don't have one of those, but going to look around the house to see if something else would work. Let's set up the station to work on this and switch out the band. I put down a hand towel, and luckily the iFixit kit I have from building our desktop computers has this SIM card tool. I just tested it out and it fits pretty well. The video says to press down on the spring bar, and with your thumb press the bracelet and it will click. That means the spring bar is pressing against the inside of that lug. You can see there's this little step here versus this side is nice and flush. And we should be able to press this side and the band should come out. Get a better hold on this. You have to press pretty hard. There we go. And we have removed this side. Going to work on the other side. All right, the Jubilee bracelet is off. Time to get the new band on there. It should be pretty easy. There's a latch here to bring the spring down. Let's put this in. It's a little hard to work while looking at the camera instead of the thing you're working on. There we go, and it just clicks in. Not that first try. Let's go second try. All right, and that's nice and snug. Wait, let me make sure this is, yeah, we want this one to be down here and this one to be up top. Same thing, has a little latch there to help us get the spring in place. Same thing, very easy. Make sure everything's in place. That is nice and snug. Looks beautiful. Can't wait for the wife to try it on and get a final shot. Final reveal. That's a beauty. What do you think?
I love it.
Video number 167 done.